beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just starting off this look by priming with my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. This concealer is pretty dang good, but it is running out, which is really sad for me. But I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out before I set it and make sure there are no creasing or anything, because I don't want to go ahead and set the creases in my lid. I'm gonna quickly lay down some tape on the edge of my eye so I can get a more sharper, clean look. And I'm dipping into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm taking that light blue color first, and that's the color I'm gonna build into like my crease and above my crease a little bit. And I'm taking my time little by little building that up, because this eyeshadow is pigmented, but I wanted more of like a nice soft baby blue. And I made sure to take my time building up that color and really blend out those edges. Now I'm taking a fluffier, well not fluffier, but fluffy brush with a darker blue right there. And that I'm focusing mostly on the outer V of my eye and a little bit in my crease, because I just want to like make it deeper on my outer V, just a little bit more than my crease. And I'm taking my time building this one in as well. And blend, 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 girl. After I blend everything out and take off the tape, I'm just going to go ahead and cut the crease. And I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk to cut my crease. I wanted more of like a really light base so I can get more vibrant colors and the lid can be a little bit more lighter. After cutting your crease, you want to make sure to blend that out so you have an easier time setting your lid. And I'm just using that bone color for my NYX Contour Pro palette. And then after that, I'm taking those two colors I used earlier and I'm putting them in the exact same order I put them on my lid, with the light blue first and the dark blue. And I'm going back and forth with those two and just really blending them out. And I'm going a little bit halfway in my lid. For the glitter liner, I'm taking the Heavy Metal Glitter Liner by Urban Decay in the shade Moonlight Cowboy. And I wanted this liner, like the line, to be thick. And then I'm going to take this fluffy but like dense flat brush kind of sort of. And I'm taking both those colors in the exact same order. I put them on my eye, on my lower lash line. And I'm just making sure to blend that out and connect that with my outer V. And at the bottom of the palette there is two highlight shades, and I'm dipping into both of those and mixing them in. These are perfect for inner corner and brow bone highlight. I want to do something subtle and soft and still a little bit, you know, glam. So these two were the perfect combo. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on, and I'm using my daily mascara, which is the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, on my lower lash line and my upper lashes before I put on falsies. For lashes, I'm using my Pink Make lashes in the style Lala Lash, and these, if anything goes wrong and I mess up or I don't like my look, I always end up using these. These are my go-to, my ride or die lashes, and they're honestly so pretty. But this is where I leave you guys, and that's the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up if you liked it, and see you guys next time. Bye! I'm not known to hold on.